Hey guys, what's going on? Joshua Elder here. Welcome to yet another video for you today. In this video, I'm going to give you 10 work-at-home jobs that you can start today immediately right after you watch this video. So if you're excited for this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you're brand new, go ahead and subscribe to this channel because I'm uploading videos on a daily basis teaching you how to build a life and business full of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. And don't forget to tick the bell icon to be notified of all future videos that I upload when I upload them. So we're not going to cut out to an intro. We're going to jump straight into the content for you right here, right now. So number one is it's becoming an app developer. And I'm not talking about learning programming or going to school for the next 2 to 4 years or going to some institution or some college, okay? You can go to a website such as appypie.com, and it's actually an app builder that makes it easy to create apps without coding. So it's simple. All you would do is click Get Started here, okay? And then what you would do is enter your business name, and then you would just complete each and every one of these steps. That's it. And one of the cool things about this is you can create an app for your own business. You can create apps for other people's businesses. What you can even do is go out there, find these businesses that need apps, right? And then what you would do is create the app for them. Don't charge them up front. You would create the app for them, give them the app, and have them demo it for the next few weeks to a month. If they like it, then guess what? You can start charging them on sort of a continuity plan to use the app that you created. So what you're doing is you're leading with value. You're leading with, showing them that you have experience, you know how to create apps. So you're giving them value up front. And then once they realize that value, they're actually going to pay you for that. So it's pretty cool. So number one is to be an app developer. Very simple. You come to this page, you complete the 3 steps, and you create your app. And you can go out there, you can use it for yourself, or you can sell it. Okay, so that's number one. Number two is creating an Alexa skill. And again, guys, Google is your best friend. All I did is I went to Google and I typed in how to create an Alexa skill. And this is a tutorial that shows you 4 steps to create an Alexa skill. And so you guys are probably wondering though, why would I want to create an Alexa skill? How is that, profitable? Well, voice is the future, right? We're always trying to find ways where we can get from point A to point B faster, whether it's by plane, automobile, by voice, right? So instead of texting, right? Texting is the thing right now, but voice is up and coming. People want to be able to deliver information from themselves to somebody else a lot quicker. So it's pretty cool when you're in the shower and you need to let somebody know that you're going to be late for breakfast, for example. And so you yell out to Alexa, hey, Alexa, let John know that I'm going to be 5 minutes late. And then Alexa would go out there and text John on your behalf or send a voice message to John on your behalf, letting John know that you're going to be 5 minutes late. So it's pretty cool. So you can do this with multiple things. If you run out of toothpaste, for example, you can tell Alexa to order you more toothpaste, toilet paper. So Alexa skills are huge. What is a need in the marketplace? And fulfill that need through voice, and boom, you've got a cash cow as well. And it's actually fairly easy. If you follow this guide step by step, it's going to show you in 4 steps how you can create Alexa skill for Alexa. Okay, so that's number 2. Also, what I wanted to show you guys is you can actually go to a website called udemy.com. And if you want to learn a skill set, because that's the thing here, you guys, people will pay you based off of, number 1, your experience level, and number 2, how good you are at performing a specific task. So what you can do to improve your skill sets is come to udemy.com and you can learn, for example, web development. You can learn JavaScript. You can learn artificial intelligence. You can learn all these different skill sets. So when in doubt, when you're like, you know what, Josh, I do not have a skill set. I have no idea what I want to do. This is by far the best way to start, okay? So again, that's number 1 and number 2. Number 3 is social media specialist. So you can manage businesses and entrepreneurs' social media pages, such as like their Facebook, their YouTube, and even their Instagram. So you'll notice here's a bunch of comments I have. I still have yet to answer these comments. Now, me personally, I answer all my comments, on my own. There might be some businesses, other entrepreneurs out there that want to outsource this stuff. And what you can do is you can go to different websites out there, such as elance.com. You can go to guru.com. I'm going to show you that in just a second. You can also just reach out to people on Facebook. Find people that have a big following and then reach out to them and say, hey, I would love to help you with your social media management. Give me the next 2 weeks. I'll do everything for free so I can prove to you that I can get the tasks done and they will be of quality. And then after that, we can decide whether you want to continue to work with me or not. That's how I wish somebody would approach me before I do business with them, because I don't know if you're disciplined. I don't know if you're going to do the task correctly. I don't know if you're going to listen. I don't know that much about you. So these are things that you want to tell the business owner or the entrepreneur before, they commit to even working with you. Okay, so that's huge. Social media management. Number 4 is becoming an online tutor. Maybe you speak 2-3 languages, and you can go to a website like Tutor.com and you can get a tutoring job. And these can pay up to $50,000 to even $60,000 a year. And you can spend a few days a week tutoring people, online. Believe it or not, my fiance, she's still learning English, and she has an online tutor that she meets with, a few times a month. And that tutor obviously gets paid for her time spent. So this is a good website to go to, Tutor.com. Most popular tutoring website out there. So they have a huge customer base. So more than likely you can leverage their platform to get jobs a lot faster. Okay, so that's number 4. Number 5 is becoming a freelance writer. We talked about guru.com. So you can go over here and you can obviously find a job by clicking find a job here, follow the on-screen instructions, post your expertise. And what you can do is you can get jobs in any of these categories, programmers and developers. So again, you can jump over here to udemy.com, learn a skill set in programming, and then post that skill set on guru.com. And then more than likely, there are entrepreneurs, business owners that would love to work with you. You got designers and artists, writers and translators, sales and marketing gurus, admins and secretaries, so on and so forth here. Okay. Number 6 is a graphic designer. So what you can do is, I wouldn't necessarily master like everything graphic design. Don't just become like a full-on web developer. But what are things that people need in the online marketing world that have to do with graphic design? Maybe it's a header for their website. Maybe it's an ebook cover. Maybe it's a YouTube thumbnail. Maybe it's branding their Instagram photos, right? What you can do is you can go to a website like Fiverr.com and you can actually post your services on here. So here's a guy that actually does my YouTube thumbnails. And I've spent, man, I'd say a few $1,000s, getting these thumbnails, done for me by this guy named Raka Design. So you can offer things like thumbnails, and it's very easy. Like if you want to learn how to create thumbnails, it's not that hard. Again, you go to google.com, you type in how to create a YouTube thumbnail. What you can also do is go to canva.com and create thumbnails. And again, go to people on YouTube that have low quality thumbnails, or people on YouTube that have a following, but they're not putting up any thumbnails. And then what you can do is you can start creating thumbnails for them for free, and then send them those thumbnails that you created and then say, hey, if you're getting value from this, then I would love to be compensated sometime in the future, only if you're getting value. So that's number 6. Number 7 is becoming an SEO specialist. So what you can do is you can go out there and you can rank videos, you can rank websites for businesses out there, following the same process of giving value first, letting them have the website, letting them, generate leads from that website. And then once they see the value in it and they start generating customers, then you can start charging them, right? This is results-based marketing. Here's another way. What you can do is you can go to like a website called Zillow.com, a real estate listing website. And you can go to a home that's been listed for quite some time. I would say like 6 months or more that hasn't been sold, right? So for example, this one, I'm just using this as an example, but you can see on this home, it was listed on 7/6. Today is the 23rd. So it hasn't been listed for that long, but let's say that it has. What you would do is you would go down here and find the agent that has this listing. It looks like there's a few people. Let's say it's his Brett Selleck right here. What we would do is we would contact him. We would go to his website and we would contact him at his email address here, and we would build a custom keyword-rich website. In other words, what we would do is we'd take this listing right here. We take all the photos, okay, if it shows me all the photos. See if I can go up here, yeah. So we take all these photos, we download these photos, we would create a WordPress website that's based around this listing, right? So when somebody types in, for example, they go to Google and they type in Draper Utah Homes, maybe you would buy the domain draperutahhomes.com. And then you would post this specific listing on the website, and then you would offer that website to the real estate agent here, and you would charge them like $3,000 for it. Because chances are they want to sell that listing. They're going to get like $18,000 to $20,000 in commission, and they're just giving you $3,000 to help them make the sale quicker. So when somebody goes to Google and they type in, Draper Utah Homes, and your website's at the top listing this specific home, boom, they're going to go to the website. They're going to obviously call the real estate agent up. They're going to want to walk through this house. And if they buy, boom, the real estate agent makes money. They make the sale quicker. And you helped pretty much bridge the gap between what the buyer was looking for and what the agent wanted to sell them. Okay, so pretty cool there. What you can also do, number 8, is you can run your own e-commerce store. You can use a web-based platform called Shopify. Are you seeing the trend here? So you can use web-based platforms to create apps, to create blogs easier. You don't need HTML or programming for that. Same with Shopify. It's all built in. It's drag and drop. It's copy and paste. It's as simple as that. So you can create your own online-based web store and sell products from that. You can also leverage Amazon, and you can leverage their platform. You can leverage their brand, and you can list your products on Amazon.com as well. What you can even do is do retail arbitrage. You can buy from eBay and list on Amazon. You can buy from Walmart and you can list on Amazon. You can, again, buy from eBay and you can list on your Shopify store, right? You can buy from garage, sales, and you can list on your Shopify store. There's so many different things that you can do. You just have to be resourceful. So number 9 is virtual assistant. Again, you can go to guru.com or you can go to upwork.com. This is another website where business owners and entrepreneurs look to have services done for them. And you can obviously host your service as a virtual assistant right here, which means you can, reply to emails on behalf of the business owner, the entrepreneur. What you can do also is you can schedule for them. You can help with just day-to-day stuff. So virtual assistants are huge. Every entrepreneur needs a virtual assistant. So this is a place where you can go to, again, offer your services in that specific area. Last but not least is my favorite. Of course, I save the best for last. It's affiliate marketing, becoming an affiliate marketer. This is selling other people's products and services on the internet. And when somebody buys those products and services, you actually get a cut of the commission. So what's so cool is you can go to a website called clickbank.com. I do a lot of marketing through ClickBank. You can see if I go to my reporting over here and I go to my paychecks, we've done $56,071.13. And this is all from promoting products within the ClickBank marketplace. ClickBank has 99% digital products. They do have a few physical products as well, but I can go in any of these categories like e-business and e-marketing. I can sell this 5-minute profit sites, and I can make an average of $45.90. Now, with affiliate marketing, you want to make sure that you're building a brand. You want to make sure that you have social media platforms that you're leveraging, such as Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and there's tons of others out there. So what you can do is you can go on these platforms, you can promote these products, and when somebody buys these products, you earn a commission. There's also other websites such as commissionjunction.com. You can also type in Amazon Associates. So if you don't want to have to create your own products or buy and sell and ship, I guess you could say, other products, what you can do is all you need to do is be the gateway between what the consumer is looking for and where the product is hosted at. So for example, if they're looking for Sony, maybe they're looking for Sony Bravia X900E. And what you've done is you've created a website, you've optimized the website to rank at the top of the search engine. So when people click on your website, for example, let's say if there's one here somewhere, this ratings.com or rtings.com. This is what would be called an affiliate website. So someone would come here and they'd look at the review. There's a video review here. This is a really well-made website. It's got images, it's got video as well. And see this see price button here? This, and if you look in the bottom left-hand corner, you see that long link? That's called an affiliate link. So you can create an account with Amazon Associates. They will give you a custom affiliate links for specific products. And then you would basically, for example, on this button, you would make it so this button goes to that specific link that Amazon gave you. So when I click see price right here, it should take me to Amazon. You can see here. And now when I buy, the owner of the website back here, they earn the commission. Pretty cool, right? So again, you're just the gateway between what the consumer's looking for and where the product's hosted, where they could buy. So that's super cool. You can do it with digital products. When somebody wants to lose weight, they type in how to lose weight in my belly. You can go back here to clickbank.com. You can go to log in here. That's after you create an account. It's actually free to create an account, but I'm just kind of going through this quickly for you. And then you go to health and fitness, and there should be a weight loss product, like this flat belly fix. When you promote this, you earn $33.61. So when somebody types in how to lose 10 pounds in 2 weeks, how to lose fat in my belly, you create a website, you optimize that website to be ranked at the top of the search engine, AKA search engine optimization, a skill set to master. And then when they go to that website, they click, bam, they buy, you make money. You can do the same thing with YouTube as well. So when people jump over here to YouTube and they type in how to lose weight in my belly fast, boom, you create a video, you rank it at the top, and chances are this Shakia, we'll see if she's got an affiliate link in her description. Some people do, some people don't. It looks like she doesn't, but you could easily put a link in the description of your videos and earn commissions that way through affiliate marketing. Also, I promote high ticket products, and they make me as much as $2,805 in a day recently, just by following a specific step-by-step formula. If that's something that you're interested in, if you want to learn affiliate marketing, I would highly recommend that you click the link below in the description for my top recommendation. And I hope you got value from this video. If you did, give me a like, give me a comment, subscribe to this channel. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Hopefully you take action on one of these. And that's my purpose. That's my passion, is to help you make more money, have more freedom, find your passion, and leverage the power of the internet to live your perfect day every day. So Josh Elder signing off. We'll see you in the next video. Take care.